Welcome back to Tech Tales. If you are new to Linux, the terminal can feel confusing at first, but once you understand a few basic commands, everything starts to make sense. In this video, I'll walk you through the most important Linux command for beginners, with examples and explanation, so you can confidently use the terminal.
With these commands, you'll be able to use Linux professionally and faster, and do things faster, fix problems, install software, and do many other things. Let's jump right into the video. Let us look into our first commands. Our first command will be pwd, full printing work directory. When you run pwd, it will show you where you are in a system. Example, I am in home Duncan aux. These my subdirectories, and the main directory I'm in the home folder. I am in the home folder and Duncan and aux. That's our first commands. This command you can know if you are lost in the system or you want to know where you are. Our second most important command will be ls. It stands for list. So example, I am going to ls to view the files in a directory. So I'll print ls. As you can see, there is epq. ls again. If you want to get a detailed output, you type ls -l. So you get, example, you can look, give you the date, the permissions to the file, and where it is. This can be useful very much if you are looking for things like files, which date were created. Our next command will be cd. With cd, you can look up to directories and look files. When you have a directory such as epq as I have here, you will see if I want to enter into E, I will use cd to enter into the directory. So example, I will use cd E to enter into the directory of E. I will list items to see what files I have in there. As you can see, I am in E. So you can see I have bit.txt in the directory. So if I want to go back to where I was at the first, I will just type cd full stop and full stop to go back to aux, the main directory. When creating directories, we use the command make directory, mkdir, then the name of your folder you want it to be. So example, I will make the folder Brian, and I will list, you can see it has been created. So make directory is a command that is very useful when using your terminal. You just type make directory, then the file name. So you can see I've made another one now, and it is very useful when using the terminal, since a lot of time you'll be making directories for projects and many other things. So you just make directory rt. You can make several directories at once. So example, make directory rty makes all the directories. So this is very useful if the directories are many. Example, you want to make a directory for music, videos, and many other. You just type make directory video, audio, and many other. So as I can list, there is the directories. So that is it. Make directories is very useful, and it will save your time and it will make you faster. if you want to create files, you will use touch. Touch is a command that allows you to create files. Example, I will create a file using touch. I name it add.txt. And touch can be very useful if you want to create files because it is fast. If you have a files and you want to view what is inside the files, you will use the following command. You will type cat, then the file you want to view. Example, I'm going to view b.txt to see what it has. So as you can see, there is nothing inside. So I will just insert something inside the file. I will say hi guys. As an example, I will Ctrl O, Ctrl X, then I will cut the file. You can see the content inside the file, hi guys. So if you have a file that you want to view things inside, use cut. It is an awesome tool command that can help you when using the terminal. Example, you have created files and you want to remove them, you want to delete them. You'll use this command rm. Rm stands for remove. You can remove files and documents and directories. So you just type rm, then the file you want to remove. Example, I will want to remove the file.txt. I just type rm file.txt, then it has been removed. I will also remove rmb.txt, and now you cannot see them when I list the items. So if you want to remove a directory, example Brian, you will use rm minus rf. So this for removing the directory Brian. So you just type, then as you list you'll not see Brian, it have been gone, deleted. So use this command when using your terminal.